Hey you guys, welcome to Chopbusters. Today we will show you some amazing tools that will surely blow your mind. But before starting, we have a request. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe. Press the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so you can get notifications from our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Jokari Coaxial Cable Stripper Top Coax Plus. This tool is a quality product made in Germany by Jokari. The Jokari Krampe GmbH is a leading producer of cable stripping and de-insulating technology. Jokari produced since more than 40 years specialist tools for a wide range of applications that allow simple, fast and precise cable stripping. The Jokari cable strippers are a must-have on every building site because of their comfortable and effective use. These tools impress with their ease of use and high-end quality. Original Jokari cable strippers allow effortless work even in tight or hard to reach places. The Top Coax is a cable stripper for all standard coaxial cables, including TV coax, RG6, RG58U, RG59U and PVC flex. The tool includes an integrated length scale from 5 to 20 mm, tin coated blades and is for unlimited stripping length. STANLEY FATMAX High Velocity Hammers. The STANLEY FATMAX 17OZ High Velocity Hammers features high velocity technology which enables a faster swing for greater impact. It offers an anti-vibe handle grip that reduces vibrations for comfort and control. Magnetic nail starter for one-handed nail placement makes your job easier. This hammer also has a precision balanced head for user comfort and control. This is a rib claw hammer with a checkered face and anti-vibe hex handle and head weight at 17OZ. 100% steel construction, 75% larger stripe face, lightweight construction and reduced weight provides faster, more accurate nailing. New grip innovative inner layer reduces fatigue and allows you to grip. Ergonomically designed grip allows for multiple grip positions. Patented tuning fork design reduces harmful vibrations that can cause wrist and arm injuries, reducing stress on joints and reduced fatigue. HAZET Chisel 9035VH set. It has the clear advantage that you don't have to press to start chiseling. This property will help you extremely. It is also important to mention that it is much lighter than the electrical devices, which means that you can work longer and get less tired. It chiseled a relatively exact hole for a steel beam, which you wanted to avoid making the hole too big. With the drill and chisel hammers, the hole must always be made larger, since the hole cannot be chiseled on laterally. Because with the additional push, you just have a lot of trouble getting something away. If you want to buy additional chisels, you can also do so. It is only important here that you have a 10mm hex connection with a ring after it. Milwaukee M12 Copper Pipe and Tubing Cutter. The M12 cordless lithium-ion copper tubing cutter kit cuts up to 10 times faster than conventional cutters and gives you up to 200 cuts on a single charge, thanks to the ultra-efficient gearing. As the industry's first cordless lithium-ion powered copper pipe cutter, Milwaukee engineered it with plumbers, mechanical contractors and remodelers in mind. The copper tubing cutter runs at 500 RPM for unmatched cutting speed, and the patent-pending cutting mechanism automatically adjusts the diameter to cut type K, L and M copper pipes from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. OD from 1/2 inch to 1 1/8 inch. This close quarters copper tubing cutter has a unique rotating cutting head that allows you to cut installed copper with a longer reach, reducing wrist strain when working in confined spaces, and has a built-in LED light that illuminates the cutting surface. The metal cutting head is corrosion and rust resistant and sealed for water protection, while electronic overload protection and unibody construction provide additional durability. Pickup Stix toilet. The simple yet effective toilet installation and removal tool. The new Pickup Stix toilet lifter helps even the most difficult jobs get done quickly and easily. Simply place the Pickup Stix tool under the toilet bowl rim and let the resistance spring grab tight to both sides of the bowl. Then just pick up the structure. It's that easy. With the use of Pickup Stix toilet lifter, even the most difficult installation is done quickly, easily and with precision. Installation is a breeze, no more installer reluctance to promote one-piece, heavier or sleeker design toilets. So, these were some amazing tools. Hope you liked them. If you do, please like the video. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.